Welcome back to Nugget Garage. Since last week we've tidied up a few little jobs on this. We've had to do the brakes on it. They were completely seized. Had to pull apart all the calipers, get the pistons out, blow out the lines. There was a bit of junk in there from old fluid. So we've redone all the brakes and got them working so we don't die. We've had to sort all the steering gear out. That was all pretty loose and a fair few bits missing, so we've made all that work and got the steering components all nice and tight, ready to go. So Scott's tidied up a fair bit of the wiring here and got that all a bit neater. Our ECU did turn up and we plugged that in. Scott told the security system a few porkies with a 9-volt battery, and it fired up straight away. So it was definitely the ECU that was fried on it. We've mounted up the radiator on there now, and Scott's wired in the thermo fan, so that all runs good. It hits temperature and turns on when it should. So that's all pretty good. We've made up a chain here and got that mounted, and we've added a side pod bar here which ties into our two engine mounts to give it a bit of strength onto the front of the chassis there. Also gives us somewhere to mount the gear shifter. On this episode we're going to try and make it drive as is without the turbo. Bit of luck, we'll get the shifter mounted. We'll get a fuel tank mounted up temporarily for now, just to run on the standard injector and standard fuel. And we'll have to get a bigger seat. This one's a kid's seat, so we definitely need one for the more portly gentleman. That's Scott, not me. I can fit in that. Good. So we'll get into it and see if we can't make it something. You can't fit in that seat, eh?
Hopefully we can spread these brackets a bit and then that coax the seat to fit more manly people.
What? You can't fit? Are you stuck?
It's gonna need some stretching. Out there. Oh dear.
Oh, it's close. Why am I scared? Can you fit?
That's like tight. I mean, yeah.
You'll fit. You'll be right.
Come on, fat boy. You're in?
Fit. Look at me go. I'm not as fat as some. Stop breaking it. Here you go. You can almost fit.
I could drive upside down. So this dash, the pod thing, where does it need to be? See, it's going to be down there.
You're not going to see it there. The steering wheel's in the bloody way.
It can't be up there.
It's got to be up there.
The pod doesn't go that high.
So?
Put the pod back
What, are
on.
you worried about wind resistance? Look at the bloody engine.
Everything's going to be behind the pod.
What? Look at it. Fits.
No, it doesn't.
No, look.
It's ridiculous.
Shows your face.
It needs to actually be there, but further down. And don't even hit your hands on it.
That'll do, donkey. Oh, your safety.
Somewhere there's a crime happening.
Right. Glasses on.
Yeah.
Put your glasses on, mate, eh?
Keep back, this thing's savage. Ow, ow, ow.
Put your glasses on. Oh, hey. Wait.
Cop that piece of steam right in the face. Oh, hey.
Yeah, you could just stop. Bit of black. What is it?
Curve on it. Touching into a tube.
Is that hot?
It's all good. So I figure we're just going to put a bar across there. We should be able to use this point as a pivot. Put the rod. It's not quite straight across.
Mate, look here for the glass.